Most of you know an independent stylist space is a premium, and we don't always have the luxury of excess storage or workspace. So today, I'm going to share with you some of my must-have shades from Wella Professionals to help keep your inventory manageable but allow you to have maximum versatility. Let's start with Koleston Perfect Pure Naturals. Pure Naturals are all the shades that end in stroke 0. These shades have a natural finish and are the go-to for any gray coverage formula. I like to keep at least one tube of all the even number level shades in Pure Naturals, 2 stroke 0 through 10 stroke 0. This covers most natural and gray formulas. If I need an odd level such as 5 stroke 0, I can just mix half 4 stroke 0 and half 6 stroke 0. I also keep the odd level shades of the intense Pure Naturals, 3 stroke 0 through 9 stroke 0, and use the same half and half rule for any even level I may need. Deep Browns. These are the shades that end in stroke 7 or brown and will give you the chocolate, coffee, and espresso brown tones. I keep at least one tube of each 6 stroke 7 and 9 stroke 7, along with 4 through 6 stroke 7. Rich Naturals. I keep the most selection in these shades because of the versatility, and they are some of the most frequently used. These are the stroke 1, stroke 2, stroke 3, and stroke 8, or also referred to as ash, matte, gold, and pearl. These are used in most of my formulas either on their own or blended with additional shades. Wella has incredible red shades, and that's a big reason I initially switched over to Wella some 15 years ago. My must-have red shades are a selection of warm and cool shades, as well as the intense red shades. For example, 7 stroke 4-3. With these shades, I can achieve anything from natural red copper to intense vibrant red violet, and everything in between. Koleston Perfect Special Mix allows me to customize any shade I want with a palette of depth-free tones designed to be used alone or mixed with any other shades. I keep at least one tube of each shade to give me ultimate creative freedom. I keep at least one large tub of Blondor Plex Multi-Blonde Powder, one Blondor Lightening Cream, and one bottle of Extra Cool Blonde Lightener to cover just about any blondie service I have. To tone any of my blonding services, I always have at least one of each of the 5 shades of Wella Permanent Liquid Toners. These can be used on their own or blended for a unique toner customized for your client. As developers go, when low on space, I can create almost anything I want if I have at least one bottle of each Well-Oxen 20 volume, 30 volume, and pastel developer, also known as 6 volume. With these 3 alone, I have my bases covered from going lighter, darker, or changing tone, and keeps my inventory manageable. Thank you for watching.